Hi, watagwan pa, watagwan. My name is Kimmy. Welcome to my sweet digs. Before you come in, make sure you subscribe below. And before you come into my house, make sure you take off your shoes. Follow me. I'm a content creator and actress that is based in New York. I live in Mount Vernon. It's between Bougie Pelham and the Boogie Down Bronx. And I live here with my mom, my sisters, and my nephew. And my parents migrated here from Jamaica in 1994. We started off renting out the basement, and then we moved to the second floor, and then we bought the house. And I pay, drumroll please, $600 for rent, which is a steal in New York. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna show you my space, my room. Follow me. This is my cardio for the entire year of 2021. I would describe my home style as very colorful, very vibrant. I like when things are playful and fun. This is my room where I journal, where I write, where I create content. And it actually used to be blue, but during the pandemic, having to sit with that blue for so long was too much color for me. So I had it painted white, kept the pops of color. So you can follow me to my content creation station. This is my desk. She's a little bit unstable. She's probably gonna need therapy after the year we all had. It's really where I can let my creative juices flow. Something that made social distancing not so bad was the fact that I was able to start my channel. I feel like if it wasn't for this pandemic and being pushed into my own company, I wouldn't have started the channel that I did. And I'm so proud of it and so happy that it's out there. And then, of course, I have Herbert, who is a miracle all by himself. The fact that I am able to keep Herbert alive is something to honestly just give me a round of applause. And then I also have my journal that keeps me sane. And speaking of the most creative person in this household, let me show you her room. It's my mom. Follow me. So this is her room. Not everybody's allowed in here, so just take a peek while you can. And of course, I cannot forget my sister. This is her room. Hello. We love the purple.
Thank you.
It's her favorite color. Before the pandemic, I was so close to moving to Brooklyn, and then the pandemic struck and I ended up staying home, and I'm so happy that I did because I've been able to connect to my family in a way that I'm so certain we would not have been able to do had I moved to Brooklyn. That's the kitchen, but I'm not cooking for you guys, so let's go to the washroom. Right this way. Everybody does their own laundry. I would describe my style as very colorful, very vibrant. I wear vibrant clothing when I'm filming for my channel because I know that it will uplift someone. It'll bring a smile to someone's face. Don't you love the smell of fresh laundry? Okay, so now this is the living room. This is where I run to for my TV shows and movies and family time. I love to drink some tea, maybe grab a couple bits of content if I have the time. Let me introduce you to my favorite person in the house, Priscilla, my drum set. Priscilla and I met in 2001 when my dad started a church called Lighthouse Ministries International. Unfortunately, in 2008, he passed away, but my mom took over as the pastor, and she has been such an instrumental part of me playing these drums. She was the one who said, go for it. I was 8 years old, had my little church socks on. I was like, it's time to pull them up and meet Priscilla. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this pandemic, we've had to come into this space and have church, because if you're a pastor's kid, you know that regardless of hurricane, weather, delays, snow, rain, we have in church. Let me stop before the neighbors sue. I would say that I'm spending a lot of time getting to know myself. Like, who are you, good sis? Like, what's happening? I've gotten to know myself a lot better and also gotten to know my family members a lot better. We've had a lot of heart-to-heart conversations that we weren't expecting, worked through a lot of stuff, so that's been cool. I feel like my space is influenced a lot by how I'm feeling. That's, I think, something I get from my mom, definitely, because if we don't feel something, we're about to change it, just so that we can have peace of mind about where we come home to and how it makes us feel. Spending time at home has definitely made us all declutter everything, whether it's physical decluttering, spiritual decluttering, relationship decluttering. A lot of stuff was brought to light, and I'm so grateful for that time and that space to be able to do that. Thank you for checking out my sweet digs. If you liked the video, feel free to like it. If you want to subscribe, then click the link right here. And if you want to see more videos like this, then click the link right here. Walk good and take care. Bye!